What if your morning ritual could become your most powerful weapon against stubborn belly fat? Imagine waking up to a drink that not only energizes your day, but actively works to transform your body from the inside out. Today, we're uncovering a combination that has taken the wellness community by storm, a blend of simple kitchen ingredients that science suggests may support your weight loss journey in ways you never imagined. For generations, traditional healers have turned to natural remedies to address metabolic concerns and digestive wellness. Now, modern research is beginning to validate what our ancestors seemed to understand intuitively. The combination of coffee and lemon, enhanced with warming spices, creates a synergy that targets multiple pathways involved in fat metabolism and energy balance. Before we reveal this powerful recipe, let me ask you something. Have you struggled with belly fat that refuses to budge no matter how much you exercise or diet? Have you tried countless solutions only to feel disappointed? If you're nodding your head right now, you're not alone. Millions face this exact challenge every single day. But what if the answer has been sitting in your kitchen all along? Here's where it gets interesting. Before we dive deep into this transformative recipe, if you're discovering our channel for the first time, welcome to our wellness family. We're building a community of health-conscious individuals just like you. Hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss our evidence-based health content. And here's something we'd love to know. Drop a comment below telling us which country you're watching from. Are you joining us from the United States, India, the United Kingdom, or somewhere else entirely? We're creating a global community and your voice matters. Let's begin this journey together. Understanding why this combination works requires us to examine each component individually and then explore their synergistic effects. Let's start with the foundation of this recipe, fresh lemons and their concentrated juice. Lemons are rich in vitamin C, flavonoids, and citric acid. Research published in the Journal of Clinical Biochemistry and Nutrition has demonstrated that polyphenols found in lemon can suppress body weight gain and fat accumulation. The citric acid in lemons may enhance the body's ability to metabolize fats more efficiently. Additionally, the high vitamin C content plays a crucial role in the synthesis of carnitine, a compound that helps your body convert fat into energy. When you squeeze fresh lemon juice, you're extracting a concentrated source of these bioactive compounds that support metabolic function. The second critical component is coffee, specifically the caffeine and chlorogenic acids it contains. According to research in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition, caffeine increases thermogenesis, the process by which your body generates heat and burns calories. Studies have shown that caffeine can increase metabolic rate by 3 to 11%, with higher doses having greater effects. Chlorogenic acids, powerful antioxidants found in coffee, have been studied for their potential to slow the absorption of carbohydrates and improve fat metabolism. This means that coffee doesn't just wake you up, it actively influences how your body processes and stores energy. Now let's talk about cinnamon, the aromatic spice that adds both flavor and function to this recipe. Cinnamon contains cinnamaldehyde, a compound that has been studied extensively for its metabolic effects. Research in the Journal of Nutritional Science and Vitaminology suggests that cinnamon can improve insulin sensitivity, helping your body regulate blood sugar levels more effectively. When blood sugar remains stable, your body is less likely to store excess glucose as fat, particularly around the abdominal area. Cinnamon also possesses thermogenic properties, meaning it can slightly increase your body's calorie-burning capacity. But here's the crucial question. Can these ingredients really work together to create something more powerful than the sum of their parts? Stay with me, because what I'm about to share next will reveal exactly how the synergy unfolds in your body and why timing matters when consuming this drink. Now that you understand the science, let's walk through the precise preparation method that maximizes the benefits of each ingredient. This isn't just about throwing components together. It's about creating a ritual that respects the potency of these natural compounds. Step 1. Selecting and preparing your lemons. Begin with 2 fresh, organic lemons if possible. Organic lemons ensure you're not introducing pesticides into your wellness drink. Wash them thoroughly under running water, then pat them dry. Cut each lemon in half and examine the flesh. It should be vibrant and juicy. Using a citrus juicer or simply your hands, extract the juice from all 4 halves into a small glass bowl. You should collect approximately 3 to 4 tablespoons of pure lemon juice. Set this aside, we'll return to it later. Don't discard those lemon halves yet. The zest, the outermost colored layer of the peel, contains essential oils rich in limonene, a compound studied for its potential anti-obesity effects. Using a fine grater or zester, carefully remove thin strips of zest from the lemon peels, avoiding the white pith beneath, which can add bitterness. You'll need about 1 tablespoon of finely grated zest. Step 2. Creating the infusion base. Take a small saucepan and place it on your stovetop. Add your tablespoon of lemon zest directly into the pan. Next, measure out 1 teaspoon of ground cinnamon. If you have cinnamon sticks, you can break 1 stick into smaller pieces instead. This provides a more subtle, sophisticated flavor. Add this to the pan with the lemon zest. Now comes the coffee component. Measure exactly 1 teaspoon of ground coffee. If you're sensitive to caffeine, you might start with half a teaspoon and gradually increase. Use quality ground coffee rather than instant for maximum benefit, as the chlorogenic acid content is higher in freshly ground beans. Pour 2 cups of filtered water into the saucepan with all these ingredients. Place the pan on medium heat and bring the mixture to a gentle boil. Once boiling, reduce the heat to low and allow it to simmer for exactly 15 minutes. This simmering time is crucial. It allows the bioactive compounds to infuse into the water while preventing the degradation of heat-sensitive vitamins. Important medical consideration. If you are currently taking medication for diabetes or have been diagnosed with hypoglycemia, consult your healthcare provider before adding cinnamon to this recipe. Cinnamon has blood sugar-lowering properties that may interact with diabetes medications, potentially causing blood sugar to drop too low. Are you still with me? I know this might seem like many steps, but I promise the results are worth the effort. In just a moment, I'll reveal the final touches that transform this infusion into a powerful metabolic drink, plus the optimal times to consume it for maximum fat-burning potential. After 15 minutes of gentle simmering, your kitchen should be filled with an invigorating aroma, a blend of citrus brightness, warm cinnamon, and rich coffee notes. Turn off the heat and allow the mixture to cool for 2 to 3 minutes. Step 3. Straining and finishing. Place a fine mesh strainer over a heat-safe glass or mug. Slowly pour the infused liquid through the strainer, catching all the solid particles. What remains in your glass is a golden amber liquid containing the water-soluble compounds from all 3 ingredients. Discard the solids left in the strainer. Now, retrieve the fresh lemon juice you set aside earlier. Add 1 tablespoon of this juice to your strained infusion. The fresh lemon juice contributes additional vitamin C and enhances the flavor profile with a bright, tangy note. Stir gently to combine. At this point, you have 2 options. You can drink it as is, embracing the natural tartness and slight bitterness, or you can add 1 teaspoon of raw honey. Honey provides natural sweetness while contributing its own array of antioxidants and antimicrobial compounds. However, if your primary goal is rapid weight loss, consider consuming the drink without added sweeteners to avoid any insulin response. Optimal consumption timing. For maximum metabolic benefit, consume this drink first thing in the morning on an empty stomach. Research suggests that compounds like caffeine and polyphenols are absorbed more efficiently when the digestive system isn't processing other foods. Drink it approximately 30 minutes before your breakfast. This timing allows the caffeine to begin its thermogenic effect, while the lemon compounds prepare your digestive system for the day ahead. You can prepare this drink once daily for a 7-day period to assess how your body responds. Pay attention to your energy levels, appetite, and any changes in how your clothes fit around your waistline. Remember that this drink should complement, not replace, a balanced diet and regular physical activity. some individuals prefer to consume a second serving in the afternoon, around 2 or 3 o'clock, when energy typically dips. However, if you're sensitive to caffeine, avoid consumption after 2 in the afternoon to prevent sleep disruption. Let's address something crucial that many wellness videos skip over: realistic expectations. While the combination of coffee, lemon, and cinnamon does offer metabolic support backed by scientific research, no single drink can magically eliminate belly fat in 7 days without additional lifestyle considerations. The concept of spot reduction, losing fat from one specific area of your body, has been largely debunked by scientific research. When you lose weight, your body determines where fat comes from based on genetics, hormones, and your individual physiology. However, visceral fat, the dangerous fat that accumulates around your abdominal organs, is often the first to respond to metabolic improvements and caloric deficits. This drink works best as part of a comprehensive approach to wellness. Think of it as a supportive tool that enhances your existing healthy habits rather than a standalone solution. The caffeine boosts your energy, potentially making you more active throughout the day. The compounds in lemon support digestive health and may improve nutrient absorption. The cinnamon helps regulate blood sugar, reducing cravings and emotional eating triggers. Here's what realistic progress might look like. Over 7 days of consistent consumption, combined with mindful eating and regular movement, you might experience reduced bloating, improved digestion, more stable energy levels, and potentially a loss of 1 to 2 pounds. These changes might make your abdomen appear flatter, but this is often due to reduced inflammation and water retention, rather than significant fat loss in such a short time frame. For sustained results, continue this practice beyond 7 days while maintaining a diet rich in whole foods, lean proteins, vegetables, and healthy fats. Reduce your intake of processed foods, excess sugar, and refined carbohydrates. Incorporate both cardiovascular exercise and strength training into your weekly routine. Studies consistently show that combining dietary interventions with physical activity produces the most significant and sustainable weight loss results. Monitor how your body responds. Some people report feeling jittery or experiencing stomach discomfort when consuming coffee and lemon on an empty stomach. If this happens, try consuming the drink with a small handful of nuts or after a light breakfast instead. So, what's the bottom line? This drink provides legitimate metabolic support, but your commitment to overall healthy lifestyle changes will ultimately determine your success. We've journeyed through the science, the preparation, and the realistic expectations of this coffee and lemon metabolism-boosting drink. You now have the knowledge to prepare this drink correctly and integrate it thoughtfully into your wellness routine. Remember, sustainable health transformation doesn't happen overnight. It's built through consistent, small actions, and this drink can be one of those powerful daily habits that compound over time. The combination of caffeine for thermogenesis, lemon polyphenols for metabolic support, and cinnamon for blood sugar regulation creates a synergistic effect that science suggests may support your weight management goals. If this video provided valuable research-backed information that you can actually use, kindly type yes in the comments below. Your feedback truly motivates us to continue creating content that empowers you with evidence-based wellness strategies. Before you go, show some love by hitting that like button. It helps others discover this content. Share this video with friends or family members who might benefit from natural metabolic support. And if you haven't already subscribed, what are you waiting for? Join our growing community of health-conscious individuals committed to natural wellness. Thank you so much for watching. Here's to your health, your journey, and your success. We'll see you in the next video.